how to enable Facebook Marketplace. So it's a pretty quick and easy process, so let's get started with it. First, open your Facebook app and go to your home screen. Usually, the marketplace is right on top of here besides your friends and your video option, but if you cannot find it there, you just tap on your profile and then scroll down, and under your shortcuts you can find your marketplace. If you don't see it here, you can tap on see more and then see if you can find your marketplace here. But if you still don't find it, then I have an option for you. You just tap on settings and privacy and open your settings. Once you open your settings, you scroll down under preferences, you tap on tab bar and tap on customize the bar. Here you can see the marketplace is set to auto. That means by default the marketplace is hidden on your Facebook tab, so if you select this to pin, it will pin the marketplace to your tab. So as you can see, before I didn't have this marketplace tab right here, but now once I pinned it, I can see the marketplace tab right here. But if you do this and you still cannot find the marketplace option, then there might be some problem, or you might have violated certain policies or rules of the Facebook marketplace. And another big thing is you have to make sure that you need to be 18 plus to use the Facebook marketplace. And if you cannot see it, then there might be another reason, that is your region has no marketplace available, or the marketplace is only available on certain regions. And it also depends on the language that you use, because the marketplace is available on only certain languages. So you have to make sure that you have complied to all of these criteria. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.